Welcome to Vision Academy, Daily Current Affairs in English. Date June 28, 2021. Let's start with national news. NHAI makes drone usage mandatory for recording status of new highway projects. The National Highway Authority of India (NHAI) has made usage of drone mandatory for recording development, construction, operation and maintenance of all national highways. These videos will be permanently stored on the data lake. It was a web portal of NHAI. They can also be used as evidence during the dispute resolution process before arbitral tribunals and court. To enhance transparency, uniformity, and leverage latest technology, NHAI has made mandatory use of drones for monthly video recording the National Highway project during all stages of development, construction, operation, and maintenance. 135 crore vaccines will be available between August 2021 and December 2021. Central government has announced the Supreme Court that between August 2021 and December 2021, a total of 135 crore vaccines will be available in India. According to the 2020 census, the number of people over the age of 18 in India is 94 crore. They need 188 crore vaccine to provide 2 doses of vaccine. As of July 31st, 51.6 crore people in the country will be vaccinated. The center has said the vaccination drive would get boost if the government succeed in its attempt to procure vaccine available outside India. Those of Pfizer, Johnson Johnson, Moderna. These are the American vaccines. Government plans to link e-code with land record to ease property registration. The center is planning to link e-code with land records and registration based to help bona fide buyers know if the land is under legal dispute. As per the center, e-code land record linking will be reduced dubious transaction, help in dispute containment and also reduce clogging of court system. So far, pilot project on linking e-code with land records and registration database has been completed in Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. Ramgarh Visteri Sanctuary. Rajasthan will get soon its fourth tiger reserve. National Tiger Conservation Authority has given the nod to Ramgarh Visteri Sanctuary of Rajasthan for the tiger reserve. It will be the fourth tiger reserve for the state after Ranthambore, Sariska and Mukundra Tiger Reserve, and it will be the 52nd tiger reserve for the nation. The Ramgarh Visteri Sanctuary will extend support to the increasing number of tigers in Ranthambore. The tiger will be shifted in the new tiger reserve to stabilize the increasing fight between the tigers for the source in Ranthambore. The National Tiger Conservation Authority was created in 2005 to strengthen tiger conservation in the nation. It is the statutory body under Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. It was constituted under Wildlife Protection Act 1972. West Bengal student credit card to be launched soon. The West Bengal cabinet on Thursday approved the student credit card scheme when the Trinamool Congress had promised in its election manifesto. A student can get a soft loan of up to rupees 10 lakh to pursue higher studies with the help of a credit card. The loan will be available for undergraduate, postgraduate, doctoral, and postdoctoral studies in India or abroad. She added that one person is eligible for the scheme till 40 years of age. 15 years will be given to a student to repay the loan after getting a job. The Chief Minister said the program will be launched on June 30th. Children in distress in 5 more districts to benefit from Kerala's Kaval Press project. The success of the pilot project in 2 districts, Department of Women and Child Development in Kerala, is set to expand Kaval Plus, an ambitious project for leading holistic support to children in need of care protection, survival of sexual abuse to 5 more districts. Since its rollout in Thiruvananthapuram and Palakkad district in December 2020, the project has been available to reach out to nearly 300 and 150 children respectively. Now the project is set to be implemented in Ernakulam, Idukki, Malappuram, Kozhikode and Kannur. Tamil Nadu news. 16 minions in a single pit excavating Sivakala excavation. The Tamil Nadu Archaeological Survey is conducting the second phase of excavation at Adichanallur and Sivakala and the first phase of excavation at Kurkai. Archaeological excavation are being carried out by more than 40 personnel led by Director Prabhakaran. So far, more than 40 elderly minions have been found in the Sivakala excavation. In this case, there are 16 elderly minions in the same pit during the excavation taking place in the Sivakala expanse. Of these, 5 are the elderly cells with lids. There are a large number of 10 elderly minions. Apart from this, pots, pottery, tiles and Tamil Brahmi inscription have been also found. Sports news. Deepika Kumari completes hat-trick of gold medal in Paris. Ranchi woman Deepika Kumari has set a new record by clinching 3 gold medals in a single day during the ongoing Archery World Cup Stage 3 in Paris. Deepika won the gold medal along with Komalika Bari and Ankita Bhakta, first in the team recurve match of the ongoing World Cup Stage 3 Archery in Paris. After some time, in the mixed doubles recurve competition, performing flawless archery with her husband Adanu Das, she won the another gold medal. Mithali Raj became the first player to play in ODI cricket for 22 years. The Indian women cricket team captain Mithali Raj became the first woman cricketer to play in ODI cricket for 22 years. She set the record by seeing the field in the first match of 3 matches ODI series against England. The 38-year-old Mithali Raj played in 215 ODI so far. So far, she scored 7,170 runs and she started her first ODI in June 1999. Important days. The International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. It was observed every year in June 26. The theme of this year, share facts on drug save lives. Expected questions. The question number 1. Which Indian player won the 3 gold medal in World Cup Archery? Option A, Mary Kom. Option B, Mithali Raj. Option C, Deepika Karmakar. Option D, Deepika Kumari. Answer, Deepika Kumari. Question number 2. Whom with Deepika Kumari paired and won the mixed doubles in Archery World Cup? Option A, Chaurav Chaudhary. Option B, Adanu Das. Option C, Malinga Singh. Option D, Dayan Chand. Answer, Adanu Das. Question number 3. How many minions totally unearthed in Sivakala excavation? Option A, 16. Option B, 34. Option C, 40. Option D, 26. Answer, 40. Question number 4. Who is being the head of Adichanallur and Sivakala excavation? Option A, Prabhakaran. Option B, Velpandian. Option C, Rajadurai. Option D, Ramachandran. Answer, Prabhakaran. Question number 5. How many doses of corona vaccine will be procured by the end of December? Option A, 125 crore. Option B, 135 crore. Option C, 145 crore. Option D, 165 crore. Answer, 135 crore. Question number 6. How many years has Mithali Raj played in ODI cricket? Option A, 22. Option B, 24. Option C, 25. Option D, 22. Answer, 22 years. Question number 7. When was International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking observed? Option A, June 26. Option B, June 24. Option C, June 23. Option D, June 28. Answer, June 26. Question number 8. When was the e-court service started in India? Option A, 2012. Option B, 2013. Option C, 2015. Option D, 2016. Answer, 2013. Question number 9. How many tiger reserve forests in India currently? Option A, 32. Option B, 45. Option C, 52. Option D, 62. Answer, 52. Question number 10. Which Indian state introduced student credit card system? Option A, Kerala. Option B, Madhya Pradesh. Option C, Bihar. Option D, West Bengal. Answer, West Bengal. Question number 11. Which Indian state introduced Kaval Press awareness campaign? Option A, Tamil Nadu. Option B, Andhra Pradesh. Option C, Kerala. Option D, Telangana. Answer, Kerala. For the more current affairs videos, subscribe to Vision Academy YouTube channel. For the regular notification, press the bell icon without fail. Thank you.